everyone. I am Som and here is my brother Shivam, and today we are going to do a yoga challenge of 4 exercises. So let's start. So first we are going to do warm up before any exercise we do, and we will be back in some time. So we have done our warm up, and the first exercise we are going to do is planks. So let's start. What are you waiting for? Okay.
I will win this.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41.
I'm down.
So I win this round. Win by this round.
And of course, won this round. Means Shivam.
Second.
So second is we are gonna do Vrikshasana, the tree pose.
Yeah.
So we need to change this thing. So next. So next we are gonna do the tree pose Vrikshasana. So let's start.
Yeah.
I'm a master at this.
Yeah. He does it.
Start.
Yes.
Whoops. Oh,
Yes.
sorry. 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3.
Down.
I
No,
know.
I'm a master at this. So I win this round.
1.
Next round, we are gonna do the lift ups with this push up bars. These are 1 kg. So let's see how much time we can do. So let's start. First, I will do 2, 3, 4.
He's doing
Okay,
the
stop.
How much?
55.
It was very, very
55.
Now my
Go till
turn.
90 degrees, okay? 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Do it.
2. I'm done with this.
Okay, it was like some
30.
30.
Only 30.
Like,
30.
30. Like it was a range of 30,
Yeah.
but I win.
Yeah.
So the next one is, what do we say?
Natarajasana.
Yes, Natarajasana. He remembers all poses names.
Yeah. Because I am little muscle.
Okay. That's nice.
Natarajasana.
3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a hard. Very hard actually.
This is very
Oh,
hard for
I
us.
know.
I win with my parents.
Okay, 2 poses you and 2 poses me. Wait, I
Yes.
have to make another challenge in which one of us win and we will win. Okay, which exercise? Wait, guys, I know. I think we will do a Swiss ball challenge.
Ball?
Okay. Guys, we will be back with the Swiss ball.
What? Not
No.
now.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's our Swiss ball. Here we have the Swiss ball. Okay. What we are going to do is that we are going to take this. Okay. Alright. Okay, we're going to take this and like do this and okay, wait. Let me do it just sidewise and we're going to take this and do like this. The one who can do the most is the winner.
Yeah.
So you can do for that.
What are you waiting for?
Everyone start. I have to help him a bit. Let him do it.
Yes. Now.
He still can do it.
Now.
Yes. I will hold the ball for you. I'm holding his ball
1,
just for him.
2,
And
3, 4, 5,
7,
6,
6 minutes. Oh my goodness. Okay, 6 minutes is his timing. Next is me. So
my
let's do
hand.
this.
So let's start.
Let's do this. Oh my. Okay, like that.
Start, please. Yes.
Like the type of challenge. Oh. This guy, he's gone, and I don't know if he's true or not. I can see the time.
I come down. I was just seeing the time.
God, I can't hold it anymore.
It is 5 minutes.
Oh.
10 seconds. Yeah. 5 minutes.
Guys,
15 seconds.
that was painful, but I still did it.
Yes.
And
I win this
looks like
challenge.
wins this challenge. But yeah, we will see you in the next episode. Let's keep bouncing. Bye bye.